Hey, it's Shay here, and I know by you clicking on my video here, you are most likely looking for ways to make money online. Maybe you haven't made your first dollar online yet, or maybe you are making a little bit of money, but you're trying to figure out how to get to that next level. This is something that I help my students with on a daily basis, and I've been able to help many of them go from nothing to earning, $200 to $300, $400, $500 plus every single day. And something that I really enjoy doing to keep my students motivated is show them brand new campaigns that I recently just start. And I just want to show you this exact campaign. I recently just showed them that I just started a few days ago, and it's already making over $300 a day. So I'm just going to jump straight in here. I'm just going to refresh the reports for this network, and I actually run 3 different networks together. I basically just split the traffic, the same traffic source in fact, across multiple different networks. So this is network number 1, alright, and this is again a recent campaign that I just showed to my students, and they were really psyched up and super motivated to see yet another campaign this week, because every time I do a new campaign, it's more information that I pass on to my students. And of course, I don't mean just the report like this. I mean the inner workings, the traffic sources, how I'm handling the traffic, how I'm setting up my pages to make this kind of money online so quickly. Alright, and I have many other campaigns that I've been running for over multiple years now, and I show them those as well, but it's really not as impressive. When you've had a campaign running for a long time, it's easier, to keep it naturally stable. It's actually making brand new campaigns from scratch, which a lot of people find difficult. And this is exactly why I do what I do, and make new campaigns that I just recently start to show to my students that, hey, if you know what you are doing, or, if I was specifically talking to my students, if you can follow what I'm doing and what I'm teaching, you can do this as well. So I just want to cruise through some numbers here. As you can see, we're in May right now, so it's May, and I just started it on the 8th. Alright, so 8th of May, and today is the 11th, and we're barely even halfway through today, just around 11 a.m. or so. And these 2 offers right here that are highlighted in the reddish sort of pinkish color, whatever you want to call it, these are the ones that took off pretty well. So as you can see already, $358 made in the 3.5 days on that offer, just that one offer in this one network out of 3 here. So $295 made on this one. This one down here didn't really perform as well. As you can see, it's got similar amount of clicks, these 3, because I actually ran 3 offers in one network here, but it just didn't convert as good, didn't pay out as high either. So I'm actually planning on turning that off actually today. So compared to basically $300 each on those, only $40 or so made there for a total. So far, still more to go for today, but $702 made in total. Now, I'm just going to go over to the next network now. As you can see, this one, I've got the same date set, alright, 8th of May to today, and we are looking at $5.15 per click, as you can see. And if I didn't make that obvious, and I'm saying per click, and I probably didn't even say, but I'm actually getting paid for, again, just generating the clicks alone. Okay, so it's very unique, and not a lot of people have heard about it. But again, this is something that I teach my students all the time. So 702 made in the previous network. Another, add another $240 or so onto that. I'm just going to go to the final 3rd network now. Same date set again. Alright. And as you can see, not a lot of clicks in this one, probably less than all the rest, but I'm actually getting paid $6.30, just yesterday. Today so far it's on $6 even, and again, per click. And this is again a point of why I am making this video, because I've decided to open this up to someone such as yourself. If you are serious about trying to figure out how to make this happen for yourself, you've been looking for ways to make money online, or you're trying to get to that next level. Maybe you are making $50 or $100 or so per day online already, but you're looking to double that or triple that or even more, then I can help you do that, as I do already for so many of my students. So I'm going to have this open for a short amount of time. I'm looking to help a small to moderate number of new students, and I'm going to give you access if you are serious right now today. Okay, so all you have to do is click the link at the top of the description. I'll have a really short bit.ly link just right there. It'll be the first thing. Just click that link. Then you'll jump over to my site right here. I'm just going to do everything as well so you can follow along and see. So this is the site that you will see. So it's really easy. Just enter in your best email address right here. Okay, important that it's your best email address, because you have to do one little thing just at the end. I'll explain in just a second. And then just click the Get Access button. Alright, so do that. Now, this is the really important thing. The last thing you have to do is go check your email address, because in that email, I'm going to send you my welcome email, okay? And in there, I'm going to have all the information you need to get started right now. Okay, I'm going to give you a glimpse inside some of the campaigns and give you some of the information that you need right now to get started today. So again, go check that inbox, the email address that you just entered in on my site. Go check that inbox. Look for my email very shortly. And if you have any questions, just reply to that email as well. It'll come directly to me and I'll be able to get back to you. So go do that now while I still have this whole thing open to new students. I'm only going to have it open for a short amount of time. So take action right now today. Thanks for watching my video here today, and I look forward to working with you really soon.